Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome to another short video of V.I Tech Academy. In this video, we will discover one important feature of Tech Freedom. So first of all, to use this feature, you need to update your Tech Freedom application from the Google Play Store. Those who don't know about the Tech Freedom is a multi-featured application where you can get 15 plus features in just one application, and everything is free to use. So just go and download, and thankfully we have crossed 50,000 downloads on Play Store. So thank you so much for your great support. Now let me open the application and I will show you the latest feature, which is e-paper. Now directly you can read the e-paper through Tech Freedom application. So let me open this.
Tech Freedom.
So after opening the application, just swipe from left to right.
Move up, app, assist, cache, document, e-paper, image, e-papers button.
See, e-papers is there. Now a few days ago I have made another video about reading news. Okay, so now I'll show you how you can read e-papers. Okay, before that, important announcement for you guys, those who want to learn web development but afraiding that you need to learn some codes, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, PHP, etc. For them, we have a special course on how to develop or design websites using WordPress. WordPress is 100% accessible for visually impaired, and within 2 months you will learn how to design websites completely without any single line of code, and your websites will be fully functional. Not only this, you will also get the certificate. Along with this, you will also be able to create any types of websites, and you will have many options to make money by creating websites. Everything we will discuss in our course. So our next batch will be starting soon. Don't forget to register yourself for this course. Visit our website from the about page of this channel and register today. Now let me open the e-papers.
Image jet e-papers. Getting. E-papers.
So right now only the Hindu paper is supported. Okay, see, I'm just swiping from left to right.
E-papers.
The
Hindu editorial analysis, the 15th of March 2025 in list.
The Hindu editorial analysis, then the date is showing. Okay, directly editorial you can read. So to read this, double tap here.
Getting. Paper info. Paper is loaded.
And paper is now loaded.
Paper info. Page 1 of 1 heading.
So see.
Today's question will not be published owing to the Holi festival in list. Happy Holi. Previous page button disabled.
Okay.
Happy Holi in list.
So this is just a Holi. So I just open another editorial.
The Hindu editorial analysis. Getting.
Okay, now
paper info. Page 1 of 9 heading. Editorial 1. Inclusion in public spaces from fear to freedom in list. Context. Public spaces, which are arenas where socio-economic life thrives, need to be reshaped where women feel safe and welcome.
Okay. So now those who are not interested to read this, they can also listen by using the MSTTS, Microsoft TTS. How? Just swipe.
Intro. India is off. While the topic is previous page button, play button.
Just click on play button.
Next page.
You can also find the next page button. So just click on play and it will create an audio, and then it will play through my player. Okay. So I'm not going to show you how it's playing because this is same like in document reader. So the same way you can read the listen to the editorials of e-papers. Also, those who don't know about the news, you can find one section called news. There you can read the articles of news. For more details about the news, check out our dedicated video where we have shown you how you can read news without advertisement just using this Tech Freedom applications. So that's it guys for the day. I hope this helps a lot, especially those who want to read the papers but due to inaccessibility advertisement you are not able to do. So now you can access the editorials of the Hindu e-papers. If you find this content useful, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.